Alright everybody, it's the One Man Drywall Army and I'm back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not new to this channel, welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to show you guys how to install anchors in the concrete without fail. Alright everybody, I'm back. So let's get right into it. I've got a mark on the floor. I've got the I've got the little rotor hammer right here. First thing you're going to need to do, this tip right here is going to need to be 1/32 of an inch bigger than that. You see that? The very tip right here. The very tip right there. That's going to have to be 1/32 of an inch bigger. That way this thing drops in, and then when you go to tighten this thing up, this little mechanism right there at the tip is going to expand. I have never ever had one of these fail. Every time I go to tighten one of these up, it does exactly what it's supposed to. Alright everybody, I'm going to show you how easy it is. Start counting. Okay. Just like that. And then I'm going to sink another one in here. Alright, anchor bolt number 2. Alright. And then you're going to need the ratchet. You're going to need a socket. Okay? Make sure you got it going in the right direction. Right away, you should feel it tighten up. Shouldn't take long at all. Just like that. That is tight. There's no need to over tighten. There you have it, guys. That's 3 anchor bolts just like that in not even 2 minutes. Perfectly done every single time. I hope you guys got something out of this video, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. And until then, God bless you.